Policeman spouse taken out in Mantego Bay shooting. Cop and his son injured. The PM calls for swift justice and deadly attack on cop and his family.
Life is the greatest gift. Protect and cherish it, my brethren and my sister. Because today you there, tomorrow you gone. No love now show up badness a chop. New recruiter try fi broke him nut. Can't get squawk so him gets the shot and bust him wing by bad cut out him gun. Boy, me tired and me fed up by it. Too much violence in the place.
Welcome to Lion TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. Big up on yourself. Welcome to Lion TV, you know, the man of peace. We set the violence of the streets, live in love, unity and strength. Life are the greatest gift. Cherish each and every moment. So me I say, yes man, today we're there, tomorrow we're gone. So live your life to the best of your fullest ability, you know. Be grateful for the little that you have. Yes, we're tired and we're fed up of the crime and violence. We know hear the two songs them that started this vlog, the intro. Please go check them out. So me I say, songs need to be listened and shared amongst our people. Yes, in this episode, I just want time to send condolence to that lady, the policeman spouse, who sadly, you know, got taken out by gangsters in one part of Mobile, and speedy recovery to the little boy. You get to me and say, and the policeman, the father. Boy, me I tell you that. It's sad, I know I'm the man of peace, and I say, yo, take the violence off the streets. Anywhere you're watching this right now, love and blessing scenes. Please like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. Yes, man, when I heard the news over the weekend, I was distraught, I was hurt, I was like, channel star. Why, you know? I thought, let me say, Jamaica, the crime rate go down, and things looking good. People still are dying, people still are get taken out, contract, and all of them sit down going, contract killing. Channel star. My viewers and subscribers, it's the easy star. I tell you some more time, you try your best and people are trying to tear you down, derail you, broke you down from your progress, your progression in life. You see me, so I'm going to talk about that incident there. I don't know much, but I read the article, saw it in the Gleaner, and you know, I listened to it on the Spot News Media and also Papaya News Link, yeah, those two channels, you know. But the story sounds similar, but there's a little part that's different, which is on the Spot was saying is a rental, and Papaya News Link I say like some business transaction, a car. So money was given for a car to be purchased from Japan and shipped down, and that never happened. So I'm going to talk about it. I don't know which one is true or what, but it's sad that the lady lost her life and the little boy, man, them can't the little boy, you know. Jah Father God good, said them still alive still, you know. Yes, my people. Yes, as you can see on the screen, in the Gleaner, policeman spouse killed in Mobile shooting. Cop and his son injured. Very sad when another lady passed away. The father and the son are still fighting for their lives, but I hear they're okay. They're gonna make it, you see me? And also the PM calls for swift justice in deadly attack on cops' family. So after the retaliation and altercation happened, you know, the PM is calling for swift justice. So you know what that means. A charcoal settings. You see me? At the end of the day, that is what the PM is asking for, swift justice. Yes, man. So it's sad. You know, the first, let me send my condolence again to the families and friends and loved ones of the lady. Yeah, so first, I listen on the Spot News Media. You know, I'm sitting at the Gleaner, then on the Spot News Media carried it. And he's saying that it's like some rental going on, the policeman rent the individual the car, and he went over his time to return the car. So the argument ensued on the phone, and it was arranged for him to come and pick up the keys. When he went to pick up the keys, his common law wife was in the car and his son, and the lady went to pick up the key from the car, and as she turned her back and I walked towards her car now, where the policeman in her, Gunshots start fired. She picked up shots in her back and head. Died on the spot. The son, little boy, toddler, he also picked up bullets. Policeman retaliate, return fire. He got in his back, and the attacker sped off. They get me. However, they were taken to the hospital where the lady, she succumbed to her injuries on the spot, and the father and the son was in critical, but things stable now. God bless them. But it's sad, man, sad. So that is on the spot news media story. That other story from PNL, Papaya Newslink, is stating that the policeman doing some business transaction with a lady who she imports car from Japan and sell in Jamaica, big business. So like the policeman uncle gave him some money, over 2 mil, to purchase a car and bring it in. So normally them say the car take like 4 months, and 4 months pass, the car arrive, arguments start, the uncle start pressure the police now, his nephew, so him want back him money because how comes him bring him introduce him to business, and no car can come like some scamming thing. So now the nephew, which is the police, start pressure the lady now who she is the alleged who import the cars from Japan and sell it to people. See, she starts saying nah, I get back the money, and the police I get angry and blah blah blah. See, this is all alleged, and the news information is on Papaya Newslink. I'm just reiterating what he said, So boom, now argument ensued. The lady, she hired a hitman now to take out the police. And they arranged to come. So the car come. The car now reach Jamaica. If you go pick up the car, so the policeman tell him woman say, follow me. So I'll pick up the car so you can drive one and me drive one. That was the intention, not knowing that it was an ambush. So allegedly. So then when they went to the location, park up, the car pull up behind them. The lady went for the key. Policeman woman went for the key. So some of the story linked to it on the spot news media said the only difference is on the spot news media says a rental business the police are run, and Papaya Newslink is saying the money was given for a car to be bought from Japan and shipped in. However, gunshot fired, the lady lost her life, and the little son, her son, also pick up car. I think he must be 4 or 5 years old. I don't know, or maybe 7. I don't know. But yeah. The dad, the policeman now, return fire. Him get bullet, but the attackers them sped off. See, so some part of the story link and some no link. You see me? The only part that no link is the car business. One I say rental, and one I say a business car business. The purchase of a car. See, so the lady now who run the car business, who import cars from Japan, she now discovered that the police is still alive and his son. She packed up and must run away gone a different place or community or out of the country. I don't know. But me just said John was star. So people wicked. Whether rental or if you rent the car, someone's car for 5 days, return the car back, man, and know it's a good business, well done, and keep the car in good condition, return it. On the other hand, if it's a car transaction and somebody trusts you to give you the money if you buy a car and ship it in for them, why don't you just honor that and do it properly? And know so the respect they're the same way. Business transaction carried out well, more recommendation, trustworthy, developed trust. But everybody wants to be greedy, disrespectful, not trustworthy, scamming. It's not, boy, I tell you star, but The main matter of the fucking of this vlog, you know, is just some condolence and just know say, yo, you know, people cannot be trusted here, man. Friends and family. I just saw the world sit, you know, Jamaica. I tell you, boy, you don't even know who to trust her, because the ones who you trust are them are the ones who want to tear you down, you know? Yeah, man, so condolence again to, you know, the lady, and speedy recovery to the police and the little boy. You see it, my viewers and subscribers. I lion put the man of peace. I say live in love and show love and respect, man. Life is the greatest gift. You know what I mean? Have a blessed love. You know what I mean? The story, I don't know which one is right or which one is wrong. As me somebody just send me condolence and John Star. Be safe out there. Peace.
No love now show up badness a chop. New recruiter try fi broke him nut. Can't get squawk so him gets the shot and bust him wing pipe and cut out him gun. Me tired and me fed up by it. Too much violence in the place.